subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. My dear students, I am here with new question and new method and new style of partial fraction. So if there is a square of a linear function in the denominator, what to do? Just write, see, a over x minus 1, one linear, then b over x minus 1 square, the second linear for x minus 1, the whole square, plus c over x minus 2, it is the next linear function. So the procedure is same. We just multiply throughout by this denominator, x minus 1 square into x minus 2. And just see what will happen. X minus 1 square into x minus 2 got cancelled with this. We left with 1 only. With a, only x minus 1 got cancelled. We left with x minus 1 into x minus 2. With b, x minus 1 square got cancelled with x minus 1 square. We get x minus 2 plus c, x minus 2 got cancelled and we left with x minus 1 square. I hope you got it. Now our identity is 1 equals to a, x minus 1, x minus 2, b, x minus 2, c, x minus 1 square. This is the identity. So what we do actually, we just put any linear function of the denominator of this side equals to 0. We get a value of x and we put this value in identity. So first, x minus 1 we put equal to 0 implies x equals to 1, we put in identity. 1 remains same, x is 1 minus 1 got 0, 1 minus 1 got 0, we left with b 1 minus 2. It means minus b equals to 1, so that b equals to minus 1. Right? Similarly, the second linear factor is x minus 2. When we put x minus 2 equal to 0, we left with x equals to 2. We put in this. So this term is 0, this term is 0. We left with only c into 2 minus 1, the whole square, implies c equals to 1 because 1 square is 1. Now we left with a. We don't know the value of a till yet. What we do, we just compare the coefficient of different values of x. If there is only one value, we either put the largest value of x in x square here or the lowest means the coefficient. We just take the coefficients of x square. So here ax square plus cx square. And there is no value of x square, so it becomes 0. So a plus equal to 0, so a equals to minus 1 because c's value is 1. So we have all values, a equals to minus 1, b equals to minus 1, and c equals to 1. We just put these values here, we get the answer minus 1 over x minus 1, minus 1 over minus 1 square plus 1 over x minus 1 square. This one of my students asked me that if we put x minus 1 square equal to 0, what will happen? X minus 1 square equals to 0 means x minus 1 equals to 0. If we get square root, so we have x minus 1, and on the right hand side we have only 0. So x equals to 1, the same value which is 1. So if we put this x equals to 1, we get same value of b. So we don't put the squares equal to 0. So that's all for today. Assalamu alaikum.